Realme is all set to announce the Realme Neo 8 on January 22nd in China. The Realme Neo 8 come in Origin White, Mecha Gray, and Cyber Purple editions. An IR blaster, a metal frame, a glass back, and IP68/69 rated dust and water resistance. A closer look at the phone's back panel reveals RGB lighting similar to what was seen on the older Realme GT Neo 5. One of the most eye-catching details is the 120x marking near the camera module. The Realme Neo 8 has a customized 6.78-inch AMOLED M14 display that offers a 1.5K resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, and up to 6,500 nits of peak brightness. An ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, the Realme Neo 8 will come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. Support for up to 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. Runs Android 16 out of the box. Realme Neo 8 rear camera setup will include a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS support, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. A 16-megapixel camera on the front. It will house an 8,000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. The Realme Neo 8 could debut at 2,500 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.